Hi everyone, today we are going to solve two-step equations. So when you're solving them, you're going to start on the side with the variable, just like what we did with when we solved one-step equations. The first thing you're going to do is the addition and subtraction first. You have to move it to the other side of the equation first, and then you will deal with the multiplication or the division. Okay, so for example, we have 5x plus 3 equals 23. Okay, so I'm going to break my problem into two different sides. On that left side, where it has the 5x plus 3, that's what I'm going to start with. I'm going to start with that addition. It says plus 3. The opposite is minus 3. Just like on a one step, you're going to do opposite of what it shows. So I'm left with 5x equals 20, because 23 minus 3 is 20. And now we have a one-step equation. It's showing multiplication. The opposite of multiplying is dividing. So I'm going to divide by 5 on both sides. And the 5's cancel. And x equals 4 for your answer. 20 divided by 5. Okay, you're doing two one-step problems, if that makes it a little easier on you. All right, let's do another example. So let's do negative 16 minus 7r equals 21. All right, I'm going to divide my problem into two sides. I'm going to start on that left side where it has negative 16 minus 7r. I'm going to start with the negative 16. Okay, the opposite of a negative is a positive, so I want to add 16 to both sides. And I'm left with negative 7r equals, and it equals what? 37. So when you have this, you have to be sure you bring down that minus sign that goes with the 7r. Now, when you try to divide this, okay, by negative 7, I'm going to run up here to Desmos real quick. And it is what? 37 divided by 7. Where's my negative button? Yeah, I'll just remember that it was negative. So negative 5.28. R equals negative 5.28 as my answer. Sometimes they'll give you a whole number as an answer, and sometimes they'll give you as a decimal. Okay. Let's look at a little bit different. So if we have negative h over 3 minus 4 equals 13. So divide our equation into two sides. We're going to deal with the addition and subtraction first. So that minus 4, the opposite of minus 4 is 2 plus 4. They cancel out. You're left with negative h over 3 equals 17. Now remember, if it shows you like it does on the left side, it is showing you division. So the opposite would be to multiply each side by negative 3. So those will cancel. Be sure to take that negative with you. Okay. And so 17 times negative 3 gives you negative 51. Again, put it in the calculator if you need to. All right, so those are the different types that you will see for just two-step equations. So let's try some out. Here's your first problem. 15 minus 2b equals negative 9. And then second problem you're going to try is 16 minus w over 7 equals 21. So try those two problems, and then come check back in with me after you unpause it, and we'll go over the answers. So pause it now and work out the problems. Okay, welcome back. You're going to start on the side that has the 15 minus 2b. I'm going to actually subtract 15. That is a positive 15. And the opposite is a negative, or subtract 15 to this side. Okay, our 15s will cancel. Negative 2b equals, what is negative 9 minus 15? They're both negative, so they add together. If you don't know how to do that in your head or at all, you can put negative 15 minus 9, negative 24. Perfect. I'm going to now divide because it is showing multiplication. B equals 12. 24 divided by 2. All right. Hopefully you got that correct. If you didn't, fix it, change it so you have it for that quiz later on. If you need more time for this second problem, pause it. Come back, okay? Otherwise, we're going to get started. I'm going to split my equation into two different sides. And that 16 is a positive 16, so I'm going to divide. Or sorry, not divide. I'm going to subtract. I wrote subtract. I said divide. So we're subtracting 16 to both sides. Negative w over 7 is what we have left. 21 minus 16 is 5. Okay. This left side of the equation is showing division. Remember, if it shows division like a fraction, you're going to multiply both sides. So I'm going to multiply both sides by negative 7. I have to be sure I take that negative sign with me, if there is one. So negative 7 times 5 is 35. All right. That is it for today. If you have questions, please let me know. Otherwise, go back over to Schoology and do your checkup for two-step equations.